What is up, J Nation? Today we're gonna be doing an unboxing video. I just picked up some brand new Astro A40s. We got the red edition, X edition is the official name. I'm going to do an unboxing for you guys and see what we have inside. Alright, so we've taken off the original cover. It leaves us with this sexy little box. Oh, it's beautiful. Excited to see what's inside. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and open this up. Inside, we have the A40s, obviously. We got a cord right there. Take out the headset itself. Really beautiful color here. Look at that. Camera's not really picking it up, but it's a really pretty blue color. Really pretty headset here. Sounds awesome. I already can tell, like, the noise canceling and everything like that. We got another cord right there. This is the box, so we're all emptied out. We have the instructions, everything like that. Some stickers. We'll definitely be putting these some places. Leave in the comments below where you'd like to see a sticker, or if maybe we'll give some away. Leave a comment, and top comment we'll get a sticker. But yeah, we got some simple instructions. I'm gonna get to setting these up, and if you guys want to review or anything like that with the headset after I've used it for a little bit, leave it down in the comments below, and we can maybe get that up and rolling for you. But as always, that's gonna do it for us, J Nation. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed. And yeah, use my promo code. You can save yourself 50% on some Astros. So links in the description. Thank you, and I'm out.